Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to build steps for a shop, or this can be for a deck. And I use some reclaimed wood that I found at Home Depot, and also I got these slabs as well that I'm gonna put down there because here it rains a lot, and I want to make sure that these pieces right here doesn't get rotten with the rain and the moisture. So if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, and let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The All Boots.
The first step is to make sure that the ground is even, and after that you just put a 12 by 12 concrete slab. This is going to make sure that the steps are resting on top of them and it doesn't get damaged with the rain. Alright guys, so after making this cut, like I said, I built this out of a 2x8, and now I was able to get the holes done. So now we're going to attach this with these L brackets so it can be secure. I have 3 of these steps there, and I have the number down here at the bottom. And this should be a pretty easy process. This part of the project is extremely important. When you're measuring one side to the other side, make sure that the level is 100% accurate. If you notice, I am using 3 steps risers for these planks. Most small stair builds only use 2, but I built a third one to make it more stable and help it last longer. It also spreads the weight out more evenly. If you notice that I'm flipping the pieces of wood, it's because I want to make sure that I have the right pieces there. This is going to make sure that the pieces are not wobbling or jiggling. Hey guys, I appreciate you being here. We're building something real, one project at a time. If you're rocking with it, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright guys, so I was able to put the stairs on it. This was a pretty simple process. You just need to make sure that everything is even and sturdy as well. Because the last thing you want to do is to, when you're putting things back and forth, you can trip and not have it up to code. But as you can see, these are sturdy, and this is it. So if you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next video. So have a good day.